Baseboards may seem like small details, but they make a big difference in how finished your home looks. Over time, they can get scuffed, cracked, or come loose. But repairing or replacing them is an easy DIY project that can instantly refresh any room. Here's how to do it right. Start by inspecting your baseboards. Look for loose sections, cracks, or gaps where the boards have pulled away from the wall. Sometimes all you need is a quick repair with a bit of caulk or nails, but if the boards are warped or damaged, replacement is the best option. For simple repairs, use a caulking gun to fill small gaps between the baseboard and the wall. Smooth it with a damp finger or a caulk tool for a clean line. For dents or gouges, apply wood filler with a putty knife, let it dry, and sand it smooth before painting. If your baseboards are loose, reattach them using finishing nails or a nail gun. Drive the nails into the wall studs for a secure hold. Then use wood filler to cover the nail holes and lightly sand them once dry. Now, if you're replacing baseboards altogether, start by carefully removing the old ones. Use a utility knife to cut through any paint or caulk along the top edge. Then, use a pry bar and a putty knife to gently lift the board away from the wall without damaging the drywall. Take your time. Patience pays off here. Once removed, measure the wall and cut your new baseboard pieces to size using a miter saw for clean angled corners. Dry fit each piece before nailing to ensure perfect alignment. For inside corners, miter cuts at 45 degrees will give you a tight, professional-looking joint. Apply a thin bead of construction adhesive along the back of each board before nailing it to the wall. This keeps it solidly in place and reduces future gaps. Use finishing nails every 12 to 16 inches and countersink them slightly with a nail punch. After installation, it's time for the finishing touches. Fill nail holes with wood filler, sand lightly, and apply caulk along the top edge where the baseboard meets the wall. This gives your work a seamless, polished look. Finally, paint or stain your baseboards to match your decor. For a clean and modern look, crisp white semi-gloss paint is a timeless choice. If your floors are wood, matching or slightly contrasting stains can create a warm, cohesive feel. And here's a tip professionals swear by. Paint your baseboards before installing them. It's faster, cleaner, and easier to touch up after installation than painting along the floor. Whether you're fixing a small crack or upgrading your entire trim, baseboard work is one of those projects that gives your space a sharp, finished look. It's a simple way to elevate your home's appearance, and once you've done it yourself, you'll never look at a crooked baseboard the same way again.